Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about some high yield points from congenital disorders which are very important in your upcoming exams. So first we are going to talk about Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. So this is self-mutilation behavior. In this syndrome there is deficiency of SGPRT enzyme leading to hyperuricemia. You can see in this image there is self-mutilation behavior. So child is eating his own lips and making wound, and also he is biting his own nails and making wound. So this is known as self-mutilation behavior. Another disease is Gaucher's disease. It is lipid storage disease. There is deficiency of glucocerebrosidase enzyme, and also in histopathological slide we see the Gaucher cells, which is also known as crumpled tissue paper. So in this slide you can see this is kind of crumpled tissue paper like appearance you can see here. So it is very easy to understand in your exam, and also in exam they will give in the form of MCQ or image based MCQ, or also they can give like the deficiency of glucocerebrosidase enzyme cause, you have to answer it Gaucher's disease. Another disease is von Gerke's disease. So this is type 1 glycogen storage disease. There is severe hypoglycemia, hepatomegaly and ketosis. You have to remember these important points. There is severe hypoglycemia, hepatomegaly and ketosis. And there is deficiency of glucose 6-phosphatase. So these are the key points you have to remember where I am marking glucose 6-phosphatase, severe hypoglycemia and type 1. Here is the image of this child. You can see here the abdomen is kind of bigger, so we can suspect like hepatomegaly. It is very easy to suspect it, so it is very easy to understand. So next disease is Hurler's disease. There is deficiency of alpha L iduronidase. It is autosomal recessive and there is corneal clouding present. Hepatosplenomegaly, skeletal abnormalities and cognitive impairment, and there is coarse faces. There is corneal clouding. See the eyes, there is clouding present, and also the face is kind of coarse. So it is very easy to understand. And also remember alpha L iduronidase deficiency is seen. Another is Algili syndrome. This is neonatal cholestasis. There will be pulmonary stenosis, butterfly vertebra and triangular faces. So there is kind of butterfly like vertebra. This is butterfly vertebra. It is very easy to understand. And the face you can see is kind of triangle like face. So it is known as triangular faces. And also you can see pulmonary stenosis. So this is Algili syndrome. This disease is osteogenesis imperfecta. It is also known as brittle bone disease or dentinogenesis imperfecta. There is stride. You have to remember there will be recurrent fractures as it is brittle bone disease, so there will be recurrent fractures. The blue sclera The eyes will be blue in color and there will be deafness. Child cannot hear. The color is blue. So this disease is osteogenesis imperfecta. And also in this image you can see there is fracture over here. So there are recurrent fractures. Another is sickle syndrome. There will be microcephaly, elongated bird-like faces, beak-like nose and dwarfism. See the head over here. It is smaller than normal, right? So it is microcephaly. See the nose. It is beak-like. And also you can see the face is elongated. And there will be dwarfism present. So it is sickle syndrome. Another syndrome is congenital syphilis. Here there is very important triad, Hutchinson triad. So there will be Hutchinson teeth, interstitial keratitis and sensory neural hearing loss. So you have to remember this triad: Hutchinson's teeth, interstitial keratitis and sensory neural hearing loss. So this image is very important. Many times this image is given in your exams. So see the teeth, you can see it is Hutchinson's teeth. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and try to remember these triads, images and some important points so you can distinguish one syndrome from another syndrome, and it is not very difficult to recognize these images. So thank you so much.